Learning outcome 4 of chapter 12 in the OpenStax Introduction to Business has to do with the thing that's going to show up on the screen right now, how supply chain management can increase efficiency and also customer satisfaction. So we're talking about the goal of supply chain management. What you want to do here is coordinate all the activities of the supply chain members into a seamless process. So that way you have more customer satisfaction. We're going to go on to outcome 5, which is promotion and the elements of a promotional mix. So we're going to talk about what is the objective of a promotional campaign. Really can be any of the following, right? You might want to just create brand awareness, or you might want to get consumers to try out a product. There might be a sample you want to get them to try. To give them information would be another goal. To keep customers you already have. And also to increase the amount and frequency of use. Many years ago, I heard that there was a saying or a myth that got promoted, which was 3 on a match is bad luck, meaning you shouldn't light 3 different cigarettes with one match. It would be bad luck. Of course, it would be bad luck to burn your finger. But that was an idea that was promoted sort of word of mouth by the match company, so people would have to buy more matches. But the idea here is to increase the amount and frequency of use. And also to identify target customers. You put something out there and some people respond and you find out who's interested. And also you might want to teach the consumer something. For example, there's a sunscreen product that I'm working on developing with a team of students. The problem there is that there are sunscreens that are effective. There's others that are safe, but there aren't any that are both. So we want to create one that's both. But the thing is, most consumers don't know that's the case. They don't know that it's one or the other. So we need to teach them about that so we can get them to buy our product and hopefully be safer when they use a sunscreen product. So we're going to talk about promotional mix, and what that is all about is the combination of a whole bunch of things: advertising, personal selling, sales promotion, public relations, to promote a product. So we're going to talk about the features of an integrated marketing communications campaign. So you want to carefully coordinate all the different promotional activities, which include traditional advertising, which could include direct marketing, sales promotion, personal selling, public relations, and we're just getting started. Social media and e-commerce, packaging, that's part of a promotions campaign, right? And all other kinds of forms of promotion. And you try to put all those together in a way to produce a consistent, unified message that's focused on the customer or what the customer is interested in. So we're going to stop there in that video, and we'll come back with another objective, number 6, in the next video.